If you're getting error code 403, authentication failed, this is the video you need to watch. The first reason it could be erroring, your Roblox cache folder could be full. So what you're gonna wanna do is type in Windows R and then type in local app data with % around it and then click OK. Then scroll down to R for Roblox, and once you find Roblox, right click on it, click delete, and erase all existence of it off your computer. So when you reinstall it, it'll be fresh and not corrupted. That may take a bit, but now that it's finished deleting, you're gonna type in one more thing. Click Windows R again. You're gonna wanna type in %temp %. Click enter. Then what you're gonna wanna do, click Control A, then delete. This also may take a while depending. Do you wanna delete it? Click yes. If it says continue, click continue. But if it says skip, click do this all current items, click skip. And that should work. Now once you're done that, you're gonna wanna close this, open the web browser of your choice. You're gonna wanna go to Roblox. Then you're gonna wanna reinstall, just click a game and then click play, click download and install Roblox. So you want to reinstall Roblox, go through the reinstall process, and if it still doesn't work, what you're gonna want to do is click Windows R, and you're gonna want to type in ncpa.cpl, click OK, and then click on your internet that you have connected, and that doesn't have an X beside it. Then you want to click Properties, then you want to go Internet Protocol version 4, then click on Properties. Then fill it out with either 8.8.8.8 and then have the alternate DNS as 8.8.4.4, or you can erase it and have it as 1.1.1 and then 1.0.0.1, and it doesn't really matter which one you pick, just some might work better for others. And then click OK, then go try to start up Roblox again, and if it works, then you can stop watching this video, but if not, and it didn't work, then you're going to want to type in Windows R again, and you're going to want to go to firewall.cpl, spelled like this, and click OK. Then you're going to want to click on Allow an app or feature through the Windows Defender firewall. You're going to click Change Setting, then Allow an app. Now you're going to want to type in, now as long as you installed Roblox again, it should be in here. Now what you're going to want to do is type in %local app data %sign. You click open. Now that once you open it, you're going to want to scroll down to Roblox. Once you find Roblox, click on Roblox, click on version. Once you click on version, and click on this mumbo jumbo, then you're going to want to click on Roblox player beta and click open. Now once that's opened, you're going to want to click on add. Now you're going to want to click allow another, click browse. Then you're going to want to click on Roblox Player Launcher. Click open, click add. Then you're going to want to go into Roblox and make sure Roblox and Roblox Game Client are both checked. See, mine was unchecked there. And click OK. And once that's done, your Roblox should be working.